petition.
What are you seeking in this?
Yeah. So can I just pass on this order, Supreme Court order? Kindly see para 74.
What is this? Para?
74.
Yes.
By order dated 14/15/1989, February 89, the Supreme Court had quashed all criminal cases against Union Carbide.
So?
And it is, I had filed an PIL. And it is on that basis that the criminal cases were revived. Please see para 93.
Yeah, so criminal cases will go on. How do you interfere in criminal cases?
No, it's because of my intervention that the criminal cases were revived.
You don't become a public prosecutor.
No.
You're not a prosecutor.
Sir, my only.
You brought to the notice of the Supreme
Yeah.
Court that criminal proceedings
Yeah.
are wrongly quashed. Supreme Court said, right?
Yeah.
They have to revive.
Yeah.
Now, once they're revived, they'll
Yeah.
go and as per the CRPC or the
Yeah, see, my grievances, the matter has just
Your
been pending
grievance-
for the last 15 years, sir.
who are you in terms of criminal proceedings are concerned? You are neither a prosecutor nor a
I'm
deputy.
only urging that the matter be expedited.
The court will consider it. The criminal court will consider it.
No, sir, what is happening is repeatedly the concerned judge is being transferred before
That
the
can't be a
matter.
ground. That can't be a, if assuming we were to, so we will stay the transfer of a judge, promotion of a judge, retirement of
No,
a
I'm
judge.
only seeking direction to the judge to complete the matter within a
The
specified
judge will
time.
consider it, parties will take action.
Sir,
Any
that-
aggrieved party will take an action. So we would say that judge will not be superannuated.
No.
Then
Complete the hearings
Law will-
within.
is there any grievance that matter is being unnecessarily adjourned?
Sir, 15 years the matter is pending in the.
So
So,
it's not one
and
single matter.
5 of the accused have died already.
How many witnesses are there in that case?
So all that has been over. What is happening is one judge completes the hearing before he passes the order, he's transferred. 8 times it has happened.
We stop transfer of judges, we stop promotion of judges.
No, sir, it is not being denied. Even 40 years after the case has not been completed. 15 years it took for the CJM to pass an order in 2010. And that matter has been pending before the Sessions Court for the last 15 years.
One thing, we, on your request, you are a third party to criminal proceedings. We can't direct the criminal procedure be short circuited just for you. We have empathy, sympathy with you, but we can't direct criminal procedures to be short circuited just because you want expeditious trial and judges not to be transferred or appointed.
So it's making a complete farce of the entire criminal proceedings. 30,
Every case would be that. In every case, there'll be an
No, there's
application.
a-
Don't transfer my judge. Don't promote him. Don't retire him. Can we accept that?
Sir, it is happening for 8 times. It's the same before the.
This can't be a case which we can enter.
So there's one more matter.
Yes.
There is another High Court order. This High Court order.
Show us that.
This is against Dow Chemicals. In 2005, the CJM had passed an order in our favor. And it was stayed by this Honorable Court in 2005. But the appeal filed by Dow was dismissed in 2012. And now Dow is appearing in the district court. But the matters before junior.
The petition filed by somebody seeking quashing of the FIR.
Yeah.
That was rejected.
Yeah, Kaushik, FIR filed, the petition is 2005, which we had filed in 2001, and the CJM gave us a favorable order, 2005.
So
That was stayed by.
that gives you a right to intervene in every criminal.
Sir,
If there is a conviction or acquittal, you'll challenge it.
No, it was because of our petition that the
Yes, but that-
notice was issued to Dow.
You are then interfering in judicial courts.
Sir,
If there is any order passed in those proceedings, you have the right to challenge it. You are third parties to those proceedings.
no, it is on my petition, which was,
Are you a complainant there?
yes,
Then you challenge it in accordance with law. Are you a complainant in these criminal proceedings?
yes.
Then file a petition, show us the orders.
2000
Don't file a PIL. File a petition as a complainant that I am a complainant, I am in a grief party, my proceedings are not being decided, please pass orders, we'll then entertain it. Not as a PIL.
No, so I just wanted to draw your
Is the-
attention because on PIL, it was the whole thing was revived.
PIL is not a substitute for all criminal proceedings. If you are a complainant in any of those proceedings and proceedings are being delayed, please bring up that grievance by a proper petition, not in the form of a PIL, please.
So how do we expedite the proceedings, sir? That's the whole question.
If you are a complainant in those proceedings, you have the remedy. But not by way of a public interest litigation. File your petition.
And Dawes matters for a junior judge, and she says she cannot pass an order in the matter. You know, and the matter is just pending. Dawes appearing in the court. You know, and no actions being the criminal.
If you are a complainant in those proceedings, file the order sheets. That
I have filed all the list of the proceedings. No orders have been passed.
is this Samiti a complainant?
Yeah. Yes, sir. That is what I'm trying to tell you. We have petitioners right from 1989. And even in the CJM's court, we have petitioners from 1992. Because of our intervention, the properties of Dow was, Union Carbide was.
Produce the order sheet, we'll see the order sheets. What you have filed is just summary downloaded from the website.
The list of dates I've given all the order.
Does it show us why it is adjourned? It only says miscellaneous matter.
So
not
there,
defined.
no orders are being passed, sir.
Every case, if it is listed, there will be some order passed, even if the order says adjourned. There will be an
There is not a single. That's why you can. I've downloaded the from their own websites. There's not a single order has been passed.
You're saying arguments have been heard. How is the argument heard without an order being recorded?
No. There are two matters. One is before the Sessions Court. The other is before a junior judge junior civil judge. And Dow is appearing before that court, and no orders have been passed, sir.
It is not. You've not downloaded the order sheets. You all downloaded a synopsis.
No order. Okay,
Get the order sheets from the court, not on the website.
okay, I'll do that.
Get the order sheets. If you're a complainant in those proceedings, show that this is on your complaint.
Okay.
And these are the orders. Then we'll consider it.
Okay, sir.
Because the PIL, general PIL of a stranger is not maintainable.
No, our concern is, but last 30 years, you know.
We are with you on that. These orders, these must be concluded.
Huh.
But you can't make a general prayer. Don't retire a judge. Don't transfer a judge.
No, sir, that is not
can't
our plea. Not our plea. We're only directing that
you see, any case.
that be allowed to pass an order. He's not being allowed to pass an order.
Any case which has been pending for a long time cannot be remained pending. Otherwise, justice is denied.
That is what is happening. That is what is happening.
We are with you on that.
Huh.
But the maintainability of this petition is the question. If you are a complainant in those proceedings, show us that you are a complainant, produce the charge sheet and the orders of the court that matter is being adjourned simpliciter, then we will take action.
All right. I'll do it.
Now, if the petitioner appears in person, prays for some time to file additional documents. Let the same be filed within 4 weeks.
Yes.
Within 4 weeks, list after 4 weeks.